Good morning students. Today we are going to start applications of determinants. In that, number 1, we want to find out area of triangle by using the determinant. Here if you see, suppose one triangle is given, and here suppose here this is the P, and then this is the Q, and then after this is the R, and let the coordinates of this P, suppose this is the x1 y1, and then after Q this is the x2 y2, and then this R we are saying that this is the x3 and then y3. Then area of triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR, this is equal to 1 by 2, then x1 y1, and then 1, and then x2 y2, and then 1, then x3 y3, and then after this is the 1. Now suppose we are taking any row, so we want to expand this determinant, so expanding along R1. So for expansion we are making here plus, and then after this is the minus, and then after this is the plus. So this is equal to 1 by 2, and then x1, we want to write the subdeterminant after leaving first row and first column. So this is the y2 y3, and then after 1 1, then minus here, so minus y1, and then subdeterminant after leaving first row and second column means x2 x3, and then after this is the 1 1. Then here you have to see what plus 1, then subdeterminant after leaving first row and third column, so this is the x2 x3 y2 y3. Now after that you see this is the 1 by 2, then x1, here you have to apply the cross multiplication, so what we will get, y2 minus y3 minus y1, and then after this is the x2 minus x3, and here this is the plus 1, so this is the x2 y3 minus y3 y2, and then x3, or this is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3, and then after here inside of to multiply, so what we will get, this is the y1 x2 minus, and then this will become plus y1 x3 plus x2 y3 minus y2 x3. Now after that you have to see this is the y1 x2, and then after here y1 x3, here x2, and then after this is also x2, so from this one we are going to take out x2, and from this one, and then after this is the y1 x3, and then after this is the y2 x3, and from this one we want to take out the x3, so what we will get, so this is the 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3, and then after plus x2, when we are going to take out plus x2, so this is the y3 minus y1, and then after plus from this one you have to take out x3, so this will become y1 minus y2. So here up to see, this is the well known formula for finding the area of the triangle that we are studying in class 10th, when vertices are coordinates of vertices of triangle this is given. It means that this is the determinantal value of this determinant. To see, note number 1. In note number 1, since area this is the positive quantity, so after finding the determinantal value we are going to consider only positive. And second thing, if in any problem area is given, suppose area is given, then while solving the problems we were to take, suppose area A is given, and then after when you are going to solve the problem, so both the determinantal value we are going to take, that means plus A and then after minus of A. After taking both the plus and minus we can proceed the next step. And third one, if 3 points are collinear, collinear means suppose we are saying that this is the A and here this is the B and this is the C, and if these 3 points are collinear means they are lie on same straight line, then determinantal value, suppose the coordinate of this, suppose this is the x1 y1 and here this is the x2 y2 and here this is the x3 y3 is given. Then if 3 points are collinear, then this condition must be satisfied. x1 y1 1 and x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 and then 1, this must be what? 0. After these things we are going to start your exercise 4.3. So in 4.3, first problem what is given, exercise 4.3. This is number 1, what is given, find area of the triangle with vertices at the point in each of the following. This instruction is given, and in that number 1 what is given, this coordinates of vertices, first 1, 0, then 6, 0 and then 4, then solution have to see. Here this is the P and this taking, and then suppose we are saying that this is R, here this is the area of triangle. We want to calculate the area of triangle PQR. Suppose here the coordinates of this is 1, 0 and then this is the 6, 0 and then after this is the 4, 3. So area of triangle PQR, this is equal to 1/2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 and then after x3 y3 1. Now here suppose this is the x1 y1 and then after this is the x2 y2 and then after this is the x3 y3. So this is equal to 1/2 and then after x1 y1 means 1 and then 0 and then after this is the 1 and x2 y2 means 6 0, and then after this is the 1, and then after R means this is the 4, 3, and then after this is the 1. Now here you have to see, we want to find out determinant value of this determinant. So we are taking any row. Suppose we are taking the R1, or you have to see in when you are seeing the second column, the two elements of second column, this is what 0. So it is easy when you are going to expand this determinant along a C2. So expanding along C2. So sign we are going to make here, this is the plus, and then after this is the minus, then this is the plus. So here this is the plus, and here this is the minus. So this is equal to 1 by 2, and then after what is written minus 0, and then subdeterminant after leaving first row and second column. So what we will getting, this is the 6, 4, 1, 1, and then after second element means this is the plus 0, and after that write subdeterminant after leaving this is the second column, and then after this is the second row, means this and this we are going to leave, then 1, 4, and then after 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, and then after here you have to see this is the minus 3, and then subdeterminant after leaving third row and second column, this is the 1, 6, and 1, 1. Now after this one here, minus 0 multiplied by this is the 0, and plus 0 multiplied by this means both the term, this is the 0, only this is the left. So this is the 1 by 2 minus 3, and then cross multiply you have to use 1 into 1 means this is the 1, and 1 multiplied by 6 means this is the minus 6. So this is equal to 1 by 3 and minus 3, and then this is the minus 5. So what we will get, this is the 2. So what we will get, this is the 15 by 2 square unit. Now here you have to see, this is the problem number 2. We want to show that A, B, C are collinear. So solution you have to see, this is given A, this is the A comma B plus C. Suppose this is the x1, and here this is the y1, and B, this is the here B comma C plus A, here this is the x2, and then after this is the y2, and C, this is the C comma A plus B, means this is the x3 and this is the y3. Now if ABC are collinear, then area of triangle ABC, this should be what? 0. Means if A, B and C are collinear, then area of triangle ABC, this equal to what? 0. Now area of triangle ABC, this is equal to 1 by 2, and then x1 y1 1, and then x2 y2 1, and then after x3 y3, and then after 1. Now this is equal to 1 by 2, and here you have to see the value of x1, this is the A, y1, this is the B plus C, and then 1, x2, this is the B, and then after y2, this is the C plus A, and then 1, and then C means C, and here A plus B, and then this is the 1. Now after that, suppose we are going to find out the value of this determinant, so we are going to expand. So expanding along suppose we are saying that this is the R1. So here you have to make this the plus, and then after this is the minus, and then after this is the plus. So what we will get, this is equal to 1 by 2, then A, then subdeterminant after leaving first column and first row, means this is C plus A plus B, and then 1 1, then minus B plus C, then subdeterminant after leaving first row and second column, so this is the BC, and then 1 1, and then plus 1, then subdeterminant after leaving first row and third column, means this BC, C plus A, and A plus B. After that you have to see this is the 1 by 2, here A, we are going to apply the cross multiplication. So this is the C plus A, and then 1 multiplied by this with minus sign, so minus A minus B, and here this is the minus B plus C, and then B minus C, here 1, and then after this is the this multiplied by this, means AB plus B square minus C square minus AC. This we will get. This is equal to 1 by 2, inside you have to multiply AC plus A square, this is cancel out simply, so this is the AC, and here this is the minus AB. Now I have to multiply this B and B, this is the, and then here I have to see this is the B plus C and B minus C, means B square minus C square formula I have to use, and then after plus AB plus B square minus C square minus AC. After that you have to see this is equal to 1 by 2 AC minus AB minus B square plus C square plus AB plus B square minus C square minus AC. So minus AC, and then after this is the plus AC cancel out, plus AB minus AB, this is the cancel out, minus B square plus B square, this is the cancel out, and plus C square minus C square, this is the cancel out. So 1 by 2 into what? 0. So this is equal to 0. Hence ABC are collinear. Here have to see this is the problem number 3. Find values of K if area of the triangle is 4 square unit and vertices are, first this is given K comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 2, and second this is given. So solution you have to see. For first one you have to see, this is the area of triangle, this is given, area of triangle, this is equal to 4 square unit, this is given. Suppose this is the triangle, and vertices we are going to assume this is the, suppose P, and then after Q, and then after this is the R, and the coordinate of this is the K comma 0, and then this is the 4 comma 0, and then this is the 2 comma 0. Suppose this is the x1 and this is the y1, and then this is the x2 y2, and then after this is the x3 y3. So area of triangle PQR, this is equal to 1 by 2, and then after x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, and x3 y3 1, and this is given. We are taking both the values plus and minus, this is the 4. So this is equal to 1 by 2 x1, this is the k y1 0 and here 1. Here x2 this is the 4 and then after this is the 0 and then after this is the 1 and then after this is the x3 this is the 0 and y3 this is the 2 and then after this is the 1. Now here have to see, we want to find out this. So expanding along, suppose we are taking any row, suppose R1 we are taking. So expanding along R1. So and this is equal to plus minus 4. Here we are writing expanding along R1. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Here to make the sign plus, minus, and then after this is the plus. Now k, then after subdeterminant, after leaving first column, this is the 0 1 2 1 and then minus of 0. So this is the, leave this second column and first row, this we will get 4 0 1 1 and then after plus 1, here we are writing subdeterminant after leaving first row and third column, means this is the 4 0 0 2 and then this is equal to plus minus 4. Now after that you have to see, this is equal to 1 by 2 and then k, here 0 multiplied by 1 means 0 and then after what we will get 0 and then after minus 2 and this is become whole 0 means minus of 0 and then third term means 1 and then after 8 minus 0 and here this is equal to plus minus 4. Now here I have to see, this is the 1 by 2 and then after k in bracket 0 minus 2 means minus 2k and here this is the minus 0 and this is the 8 and here this is equal to plus minus 4. Or here I have to see, this is minus 2k plus 8, this is equal to plus minus multiply by 2 will give. Now here two possibilities are there, when minus 2k plus 8 this is equal to 8 and second case minus 2k plus 8 this is the minus 8. So for first one you have to see, this is the cancel out plus, so minus 2k this is the 0, so k this is the simply 0 and here you have to see minus 2k equal to minus 8 minus 2k equal to minus 16, this is the cancel out, k equal to 16 by 2 means this is equal to 8, so k equal to 8. Here you have to see, this is the problem number 4, first part, find the equation of line joining this and this using determinant. Suppose here this is the line, we are saying that this is the L and here 2 points are given, so suppose this is the P and P this is the 1, 2, here suppose this is the x1 y and another point given, this is the Q and the coordinate of this 3, 6, we are saying that this is the x2 y2. Let another point lying on this line, suppose we are saying that this is the R and coordinate we are saying that this is the x, y, this is the left. Now what we want to find the equation of line joining these 2 points. Now here this is the line L and if PQ are lying on this line, then the area of triangle formed by PQR, this must be what? 0. Means if PQ and R are collinear, then area of triangle PQR is equal to 0. Or 1 by 2 x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, this is equal to 0. Or this implies that x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, and then x3 y3 1, this should be what? 0. Now here after that you have to see x1 means this is the 1, and x2 y1 simply this is the 2, and then this is the 1, x2 this is the 3, and then after y2 this is the 6, and then 1, and here x3 we assumed x, and this is the 1, and here this is the 1, this is equal to 0. Now expanding along R1 we get. So when you are going to expand this along R1, so here we are making plus, and then this is the minus, then this is the plus. So what we get? 1, and then after subdeterminant, after leaving first row and first column is 6 1 y1, then minus 2. Subdeterminant after leaving first row and second column is this is the 3 x 1 1, and then plus 1. Subdeterminant after leaving third column and first row means this is the 3 x 6 y, or this is equal to what? 0. Now after that if you see, when you are going to cross multiply, what we will get? Here 1, and then 6 minus y, and then minus 2, here 3 minus x, then plus 1, then this is the 3y minus 6x, this is equal to 0. Or this is the 6 minus y minus 6 plus 2x, and here this is the 3y, and then minus 6x, this is equal to 0. Here you have to see plus 6 and minus 6, this is the cancel out, and then minus y, and here this is the 3y, so this is become 2y, and here you have to see 2x, and then minus 6x, so what will get? Minus 4x, this is equal to 0. Or 2y, this is equal to 4x, or simply y, this is equal to 4 by 2x, this is the cancel out, so y equal to 2x. This is the required equation of line. See, this is the problem number 5. If area of the triangle is 35 square unit with the vertices 2, minus 6, 5, 4 and k, 4, then k is 4 option is given: 12, minus 2, minus 12, minus 2, and 12, minus 2. So solution you have to see. Vertices of any triangle is given. Suppose this is the triangle, and we are saying that this is the P, Q and R, and coordinates is given. Suppose this is the 2, minus 6, this is the x1 y1, and Q what is given? Suppose 4, 5, 4, and here this is the x2 y2, and then R means this is the k, 4 means this is the x3 y3. Now this is also given area of triangle PQR. This is the 35. Now for solving this type of problem when we are using the concept of the determinant, so the value of area we are taking both the sign plus and minus, means area of triangle if this is the 1 by 2, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, and x3 y3 1. So here this is equal to plus minus 35. Now this is equal to 1 by 2, and here you have to see x1 means this is the 2, y1 this is the minus 6 1, and then after x2 this is the 5, and y2 this is the 4 1, and then k, and here this is the 4, and then this is the 1, and here this is equal to plus minus 35. Or this implies that 2 minus 6 1 5 4 1 k 4 1, this is equal to plus minus 70, means 2 multiplied by 35. Now expanding along, R1. So here to make this is the plus, this is the minus, and then after this is the plus. So this is the 2, and then subdeterminant after leaving first row and first column means 4 1 4 1. Then minus, and then after here what is given? Minus 6, and then subdeterminant after leaving first row and second column means this is the 5 k 1 1, and then plus 1. Subdeterminant after leaving first row and third column means this is the 5 4 k 4, and then this is equal to plus minus 70. Now after that you have to see this is the 2, and then cross multiply 4 multiplied by 1 4, and then again 1 multiplied by 4 means minus 4. This is the minus, and minus means this is the plus 6, and then this is the 5 minus k, and then here 1, then this is the 20 minus 4 k, this is equal to plus minus 70. This is become 0, 4 minus 4, this is the 0, so this is the whole term, this is the 0, and here this is the 30 minus 6k, and plus 20 minus 4k, this is equal to plus minus 70. Here you see this is the plus 30, and then this is the plus 20, means this is the 50, and this is the minus 6k, and this is the minus 4k, means minus 10k, and here this is the plus minus 70. Again two possibilities are there when we are taking plus and when we are taking the minus. So here 50 minus 10k, this is equal to 70, and here 50 minus 10k, this is equal to minus 70. So this is the minus 10k, this is equal to, when you are going to shift this to minus 50, and 70 minus 50 means we will get 20. So k equal to minus 20 by 10, or k equal to minus 2. For this one you have to see minus 10k, and when you are shifting plus 50 in this side, minus 50 means minus 70, and then after minus 50 means we will get minus 120. This is the cancel out, so k equal to 120 by 10, this is the cancel out, so k equal to 12. Means what we are getting, k equal to 12 and k equal to minus 2, so option D is correct.